Ever pondered about the current state of decentralized finance and the role of DAOs in shaping this landscape? Well, let's take a moment to navigate this exciting terrain. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, has been making waves in the financial world. An innovative alternative to the traditional financial system, DeFi leverages blockchain technology to eliminate intermediaries, offering a more open, inclusive, and transparent financial ecosystem. Now, the surge in DeFi's popularity is no coincidence. It's a response to the myriad issues plaguing conventional finance, from access inequalities to inefficiencies. Enter DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. These are the backbone of the DeFi movement, fostering decentralized governance and decision-making. DAOs are like democratic financial institutions on the blockchain, where members collectively make decisions, sans any centralized authority. This brings us to the question, now where does Badger DAO fit into this picture? Let's delve into that. DAOs, or decentralized autonomous organizations, are the backbone of the decentralized finance ecosystem. Now, what does that mean in plain English? Imagine a company where there are no bosses, no centralized authority. Instead, the power lies with the stakeholders, the people who hold tokens in the organization. They get a say in everything, from which projects to fund, to how to tweak the system for better functionality. That, in essence, is what a DAO is. These organizations are built on blockchain technology, the same technology that underpins cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The rules of the DAO are embedded within its code and are transparent for all to see. There's no room for foul play here. Every transaction, every decision is recorded on the blockchain for posterity. The beauty of DAOs lies in their democratic nature. In a world where financial systems are often opaque and controlled by a select few, DAOs offer a breath of fresh air. They bring transparency, decentralization, and democratization to the table. They empower the everyday person, giving them a say in matters that would traditionally be decided by a boardroom full of suits. But not all DAOs are created equal. Some have managed to rise above the rest, carving out a niche for themselves in the bustling crypto market. One DAO that has been making waves in the crypto world is Badger DAO. So what makes Badger DAO stand out? Enter Badger DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization dedicated to building products and infrastructure to bring Bitcoin to DeFi. Badger DAO is an open-source project that operates on the principles of democracy, decentralization, and transparency. It's a community of developers, strategists, and Bitcoin enthusiasts who have come together with a shared vision to accelerate the adoption of Bitcoin in the decentralized finance ecosystem. Badger DAO's mission is to create a world where Bitcoin can be freely used in DeFi. They aim to make this digital gold more than just a store of value, but a functional asset that can be leveraged in various DeFi applications. To achieve this, Badger DAO offers a suite of products and services, from automated vault strategies that help users maximize their Bitcoin yield, to a decentralized exchange where users can securely trade their Bitcoin-based assets. Each product is designed to make DeFi more accessible and profitable for Bitcoin holders. But what sets Badger DAO apart? It's their unique approach to governance. In the Badger DAO ecosystem, every decision is made by the community. From product development to the allocation of resources, it's the Badger DAO token holders who have the final say. This ensures that the organization stays true to its mission and that the needs of the community are always prioritized. The world of decentralized finance is dynamic and ever-evolving, and Badger DAO is at the forefront of these developments. To sum it all up, decentralized finance is reshaping our financial systems, and DAOs like Badger are leading this transformation. We've walked through the vibrant landscape of decentralized finance, shedding light on the innovative solutions it offers to traditional financial limitations. We've unpacked the concept of DAOs, diving into their role in promoting democratic decision-making and fostering community involvement. Then, we introduced you to Badger DAO, an exciting player in this arena. With its focus on building products and infrastructure for Bitcoin and DeFi, Badger DAO is making strides towards bridging the gap between the world of Bitcoin and DeFi. It's a symbol of the innovation and potential that lies within the world of decentralized finance. As we continue to explore and understand this fascinating world of DeFi and DAOs, one thing is clear: they are here to stay, and Badger DAO is one to watch.